Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the currency in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so as you can see we have a euro currency here, a US dollar here, but let's say we want to change both of them to pounds. So in that case what you have to do is select the cells or the numbers you want to change the currency of, and then all we have to do is go to the toolbar here and we're gonna see this more formats option. If you click on format as a currency, it will change it to the default currency, which is US dollar. But let's say I want to change this to UK pound. So what we have to do is click on more formats, select custom currency and search for pound here. So as you can see, British pound sterling. So click on that. You can also change the formatting of the currency here and then click apply. And as you can see, it has been changed to British pound sterling. So now this is how to change the currency in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.